What is going on, y'all? We're checking out the Deity V-Mic D4 Mini. I guess we'll take this off just to look at it really quick. The inside, the coolest thing about this mic, well, I got it because it's the smallest, lightest. The yellow's kind of cool. Like all my cameras just have red. TRS to plug into the mic into your camera, and TRRS to plug your phone or iPad. This little input right here, that is the secret sauce. So you could plug in like this to your camera, record, and then also have another mic plugged into here. So it's kind of like you have a backup mic or a lav, and then use this. Looks cool. Feels good. It goes on the regular hot shoe. I have a cage. I'm actually put stuff here, but regular hot shoe. And then let's see which way. I don't think it matters. Let's see that. Oh, it's kind of sick. So it's kind of sweet. Now we're running a test of the microphone as we speak, seeing how it sounds right now. I have no compression, no voice isolation, no nothing, just the pure microphone going. There might be some background room noise, but I overall think it's a good move, a good buy. It's a nice little easy small microphone that your camera can use with like a little tripod, kind of like this thing. Just a long TRS cable going to a ZV-1. And record on two separate mics, the same track is pretty awesome. I think overall, solid move.